Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher, how to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is pollination and identifying pollinators. The objective of this lesson is to learn about the process of pollination and to identify the animals that participate in the process of pollination. To do this activity, and you might want to use this in a larger activity on pollination, you will simply need a worksheet from Hess Academy, and the link to that worksheet will be in the show notes. You will need some pens or pencils, and that's all. On this worksheet, once you print it and download it, you should assemble your materials here first. The first thing you're going to do is to go not to the top but to the bottom of the worksheet. On the bottom, you're going to find terms that describe each of the pollinators. And you're going to go one at a time and discuss them with the student. If the student has any other questions, you might want to refer them to the internet to do more research, but I think most children who are age 8 and up will definitely be able to be familiar with them. Now, once you make sure that the student understands each of the pollinators' roles in pollination, we are going to go back to this word search and we are going to find each of these. So each of the names of the pollinators is somewhere in the worksheet in any direction, down, across, vertical, horizontal. And the student will use the process of visual discrimination to find the pollinator in the worksheet. So this is a great activity to add to your lessons on pollination. Hope you've had fun with this activity. Please do hit subscribe to get new teaching lessons every Friday in all different subjects. And for other educational resources to benefit you and your family, check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Until next time, bye.